Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn, Activity 35, Standard 8 English Bridge course. Let's learn to write appropriate captions to photographs, pictures and diagrams of the things in a first aid kit. We are going to discuss about the usage of each object and the first aid kit of 2020. First aid kit refers to the emergency or immediate care you should provide when a person is injured or ill until full medical treatment is available. We are going to discuss what precautions should be taken during corona pandemic. You have to observe the shown objects or pictures carefully. Tell the names of things required in first aid kit. Discuss the uses of various things in first aid kit. In the learning activity, see the pictures of these objects: cotton, bandage, paracetamol, and write its usage. Given in the solved activity, the names of all the objects from first aid kit and their usage. Read them carefully. Antiseptic cream, bandage, adhesive tape, their usage are given here. Read them. Practice. What first aid will you use for following situation? If someone has a burn, what to do? Cool the burn with cool running water for 10 to 15 minutes as soon as possible. Apply burn oil or any other burn ointment. If someone has a nosebleed, sit down and lean forward. Pinch the soft part just above your nostril for 10 minutes. Breathe through the mouth till the bleeding stops. If someone is vomiting, give the person clear or ice cold fruit juice to drink, light food like khichdi to eat, try ginger, cloves. If needed, give ORS suspension. If someone has a broken bone, apply pressure to the wound with a sterile bandage or a clean cloth. Immobilize the injured area. Don't try to move or reposition the bone. Place a simple splint to support the broken bone till you reach the hospital. किसी भी तरह से उस टूटी हुई हड्डी को सही जगह पर बिठाने की कोशिश करना नहीं है. तुरंत पेशेंट को लेकर हॉस्पिटल पहुंचना है. ओके. In the extension activity, some pictures are given. We have to match the picture to emergency or not emergency. Fire on your house, it's an emergency. Police catches a bad guy, it's an emergency. Lost your wallet, sometimes it may be emergency, sometimes it may not. Dropped your ice cream, it's not an emergency. Broken your leg, it's an emergency. Then write down answers to these questions. Which things are required in a first aid box? Cotton, bandage, paracetamol, antiseptic cream, scissors, adhesive tape, thermometer, Dettol, iodine, burn ointment. These are the common things required in a first aid box. How would you treat the following? A person feels faint, immediately support the person to save from falling. चक्कर आकर गिर न जाए नीचे. Position the person on his or her back. Raise the person's leg above heart level. Loosen belts, collar, etc. If required, start CPR. Don't get the person up too quickly. Apply moist towel on the person's face and neck. A person met with an accident. What to do? Immediately call 108. Check the injuries. If signs of breathing are weakened, perform life-saving procedures like CPR. Move the person with proper help and support. Rush to the hospital. How would you treat a scraped knee? Gently clean around the wound and rinse the area well. Don't apply soap. Clean with Dettol or iodine. Apply a thin layer of antibiotic cream using cotton bandage and adhesive tape. Cover the wound. Mostly you fall down while playing. Treat your scraped knees properly as discussed here. The first aid kit in 2020 or 21 during corona pandemic, which things we need to add? Clinical masks, sanitizer, gloves, pulse oximeter, vitamin supplements. All the above things we need to add in the first aid kit during corona pandemic. If someone in your family has corona symptoms, isolate the person, keep social distancing, wear clinical mask and make use of sanitizer frequently to stop the infection. Taking these precautions, hospitalize the patient if needed. Students, watch these videos on Diksha app using the QR code. Okay? We have learned today the names of various things used in first aid box, how to give first aid to the patients in emergency, the required qualities for a first aider, and the things which should be included in 2020 first aid kit. Make a first aid kit at your home and use it properly if needed. Complete this activity in your notebooks. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.